In this video, I'm going to share how we got 319,000 views and 68 organic free leads from social media in 1 month with the help of AI. It's no secret that the more you post, the more attention you get and the more money you make in your business. You just never know which post is going to go viral and get tons of attention, just like one of ours did on TikTok last month. That's exactly why you need to be consistent and pump out content like a machine. But without the support of a large team or a 6-figure marketing budget, how is a 6 or 7-figure business owner supposed to scale their marketing effectively? Well, the answer lies in systems, including leveraging powerful AI tools to make your job easier. I'm Justin Keltner, and on this channel, we talk about marketing optimization, automation, and technology to help you run your business more efficiently and make more money. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video. On this channel, you'll hear me talking a lot about systems and the importance of those systems to growing your business. I've got something special for you to help you with exactly that. We regularly work with clients to automate their marketing and sales activity and reduce their workload by as much as 84% while increasing their sales call bookings by 10x or more. I've put our favorite marketing automations together in a guide, which you can download right down below in the link in the description of this video. So let's get to why you came here, how we used AI to generate over 60 leads in a month and over 300,000 social media views across our channels. So my partner and I consistently post 3 times a day, each on over a dozen social media accounts. And here's how we do it. So number one, we use a tool called vidIQ to get search engine optimized video ideas for YouTube. This tool comes in handy later when we want to do things like set up tags and keywords and titles for the videos before we actually publish them on the platform. Number two, we use a tool called Opus AI to create short form clips from our long form content. What that tool does is it actually leverages the backend APIs of OpenAI, which is the same technology that powers ChatGPT. And it finds clips that based on patterns in the marketplace, based on analyzing thousands and thousands of other videos from other customers that have been posted and looking at what works and what is really, really effective on different social media platforms, it takes a look at the segments of your video that are the most likely to actually go viral on social media. And it finds those between 30 seconds and 60 seconds long, in our case, and gives you the entire video clip that you can download. It adds captions for you automatically, and it provides the hashtags and descriptions and everything else you need to publish it directly to social media. Number three is we use ChatGPT itself, just the regular ChatGPT 4 tool. And we have that tool write all of the SEO-friendly blog posts, as well as a draft of the descriptions and the tags for YouTube. And then we later use vidIQ, as I mentioned before, to finalize those descriptions and titles and everything else. But ChatGPT will write the initial draft of those, and it'll also analyze the transcript of our videos. And with those transcripts, it actually comes up with a blog post that's usually between about 300 to 500 words, sometimes a little bit more. It's going to write that draft for you so that all we have to do on our end is publish that draft into our WordPress site after sometimes making some small tweaks. The other thing that it does that's really cool is it pulls out all of the links that we mentioned and resources that we mentioned, whether it was in a podcast interview or a shorter form video of some kind that gets posted to YouTube. It'll tell us and remind us what things that we mentioned, what resources, and essentially the outbound links that we need to make sure we put into that video so that we don't forget anything and that you guys see everything that you're likely to request based on watching the video, whether that's a resource guide, whether that's a link to somebody's platform or social media that we've interviewed, things like that. Then number four, we use a scheduling tool. In our case, we're currently using a tool called OneUp, and OneUp allows us to connect to all of our different social media platforms. In some cases, we still choose to post natively, like Instagram occasionally. We will just post directly with the app because it lets you modify more things. But the vast majority of the time, we're using OneUp, and it actually schedules posts months in advance. And it even has features to repeat posts from the past so that we're never out of content, even if we're on vacation or doing something else. I hope these ideas and these strategies and tools were really helpful for you and will make a huge difference in your business. Make sure that you like and you follow for more, and definitely check out the automations guide down below this video. I look forward to seeing you very soon in another video.